In this video, I'll show you how to use the daily journal in Polynom. Let's log a practice event for the preset rate change.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Notice that it pops up in the quick event editor. You can swipe between events in here. You can toggle the quick event editor with this button. And you can add a note to that specific event by clicking on the note. You can see that this event has a note and the previous one doesn't. If you want to make notes about your general practice session for the whole day, the daily journal is the place to enter those. To access the daily journal, click on the green book button. You can also get to the daily journal from the Polynom menu. And here you can enter notes about today's practice. Polynom will put in the clipboard the name of the most recently played preset. So if you tap and hold and hit paste, it will paste in the name of that preset and you can make notes about that. You can also click the View Days Events button to view all of the events logged for that date. And you can see here the note that I entered. So individual practice events can have notes, and then you have the daily journal, which is one big page for everything that you've worked on the day. If you want to add notes for previous dates, just tap on a date in the calendar that doesn't have a dot, and you can add a new entry for that. This button here will hide the keyboard if the keyboard is showing. You can click on dates with dots to view the events for those dates, or you can just swipe back and forth in the notes. You can change the text size with this button, and you can delete an event by clicking the trash can. You might also want to use the daily journal to keep a log about what you want to work on. Let's say tomorrow we want to work on hands, feet, coordination. And then let's say tomorrow you only get a chance to work on hands. So the day after you want to work on feet and coordination. You could then cut those and put them in the event for the next day. And then you know what you have to work on the next day. So that's the daily journal in Polynom.